Do you shower right after exercising? That refreshing feeling of washing away the sweat seems so natural, right? But what I'm about to share today will absolutely shock you. Your post-workout shower might be weakening your immune system. A groundbreaking study from Munich University's exercise physiology department revealed something incredible. They compared two groups after 45 minutes of moderate exercise. One group took a warm shower immediately, while the other used cold therapy. The difference in immune cell activity was stunning. A massive 62% gap in blood immune cell activation. This means one simple choice after your workout could completely change how your body defends itself. I had a friend who religiously went to the gym every morning and showered with hot water immediately afterward. Strangely, he caught colds constantly. At the time, we thought he was overtraining. Looking back now, I wonder if his shower habit was the real culprit. So what exactly happens when you exercise? Your body temperature rises. And here's the fascinating part. This temperature increase activates your immune system. Research from Radboud University Medical Center in the Netherlands showed that when body temperature rises by 1 to 1.5 degrees Celsius during exercise, NK cells, your body's natural killer cells, increase their activity by 73%. These cells are like special forces that hunt down virus-infected cells and cancer cells. But what happens when you take a warm shower right after? Harvard Medical School's immunology research found that rapidly normalizing your elevated body temperature sends those activated immune cells back into dormant mode. Especially when you shower with water above 38 degrees Celsius, your skin temperature drops quickly, blood vessels constrict, circulation decreases, and immune cell activity falls dramatically. Cold therapy works completely differently. Kyoto University's Sports Science Department discovered something remarkable. Groups that applied cold therapy at 10 to 15 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes after exercise showed a 38% increase in white blood cell count compared to before exercise. This elevated state lasted for an impressive 6 hours. Particularly noteworthy was the significant boost in adaptive immune cells, like T cells and B cells. Why does this difference occur? Cold therapy creates what scientists call positive stress on your body. This is known as the hormesis effect, where appropriate levels of stress actually strengthen your recovery and immunity. A 2023 study from Copenhagen University's Sports Medicine department revealed that cold therapy stimulates the release of norepinephrine, a hormone that triggers immune cell proliferation and activation. Timing is crucial here. Swedish researchers at Karolinska Institute studied 150 exercise enthusiasts and found that starting cold therapy within 30 minutes after exercise produced the greatest immune enhancement. The effect peaked when started between 10 to 15 minutes post-workout. Waiting an hour cut the effectiveness in half. But there's more. Cold therapy also regulates inflammation. Exercise causes microscopic muscle damage and inflammation. While some inflammation is necessary for muscle recovery and growth, excessive inflammation is harmful. Stanford University research showed that cold therapy reduced CRP, inflammatory markers, by 47%, while not interfering with growth factors needed for muscle recovery. Cold therapy even improves sleep quality. Paris Descartes University Sleep Research Institute found that evening exercise followed by cold therapy resulted in an average of 52 minutes more deep sleep compared to groups without cold therapy. This happens because cold therapy activates the parasympathetic nervous system, putting your body into a relaxed state. Let me give you practical methods. The optimal timing is 10 to 15 minutes after exercise when your body temperature peaks and immune cell activity is highest. The ideal temperature range is 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. Too cold can cause excessive blood vessel constriction. The simplest method uses ice packs. Apply them to large muscle groups like thighs, glutes, and back for 15 to 20 minutes. Always wrap ice packs in a thin towel to prevent frostbite. Another option is contrast showering. Alternate between lukewarm water for 30 seconds and cold water for 30 seconds. Repeat this 3 to 5 times. Cambridge University research showed this contrast method increased immune cell activity 23% more than simple cold showers. Important warnings though. If you have cardiovascular disease, be cautious. Sudden cold exposure can spike blood pressure. Those with high blood pressure or heart conditions must consult their doctor first. People with Raynaud's disease or circulation problems should avoid cold therapy. Pregnant women need extra caution, as temperature regulation differs during pregnancy. Here's your 7-day action plan. Days 1 through 3 are adaptation. Wait 10 minutes after exercise, then alternate lukewarm and cold water for 30 seconds each, repeating 3 times. Days 4 and 5, start applying ice packs to major muscle groups for 10 minutes. Days 6 and 7, increase to 15 minutes and expand contrast. Showers to 5 cycles. Does this mean you can never shower after exercise? Not at all. The key is timing and method. Instead of showering immediately, wait at least 30 minutes to an hour. This allows your body to naturally regulate temperature and immune cells to fully activate. Nutrition matters too. Vitamin C, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids are crucial. Tufts University research showed that consuming 500 milligrams of vitamin C within 30 minutes post-exercise increased immune cell proliferation speed by 34%. One subscriber, a 55-year-old man who jogged daily and always showered immediately with warm water, frequently caught colds. After implementing these methods for 1 month, he noticed dramatic changes. His post-workout fatigue decreased. Morning wake-ups became easier, and amazingly, he didn't catch a single cold that month. His blood test showed white blood cell counts had risen to the upper normal range. His doctor was surprised. This is the power of small habit changes creating big results. Remember, building a healthy immune system doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent exercise, proper recovery methods, balanced nutrition, and sufficient sleep. Cold therapy is just one puzzle piece, but this small piece can create significant changes in your health. The fact that simply changing your post-workout shower habit can improve immunity by 62% is truly amazing. Starting today, try waiting 30 minutes after exercise. If possible, attempt cold therapy. It may feel strange and uncomfortable at first, but after 1 week, your body will adapt and you'll feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Share your experiences in the comments. Your real stories about trying cold therapy will help others tremendously. In the next video, I'll bring you more amazing methods to boost immunity. Wishing you all a healthy life. Thank you.